Happy day 77 of 75 hard. What a workout. Oh my goodness. This is gonna be a very desserty shake. My butt looks pretty cute. It's Ninja Creamy time. Happy day 77 of 75 hard, except I'm not doing 75 hard because I didn't read yesterday. That's right. But I think I did all the other tasks. So, you know, I'm enjoying the lifestyle, but not forcing myself to do things I don't want to now because the challenge is over. But I'm getting ready for burn. I have body weight conditioning, so gotta pick out my tank top. What a workout. Oh my goodness. That was wild. We did the exercise, then ran a lap around the building and did the exercise again. I have a Pilates class at noon. It's only 8:45. So I'm gonna go home and I think I'll just shower and like put on a fresh set because I'm sweaty and I don't want to be in sweaty clothes all this time. And I don't know if I'll really sweat from the Pilates. It's a beginner class. So I know I said I did not like the Pilates the other day, but that was because I had no clue what was going on. But this is an intro class, so I just figured I still have the class pass. I might as well take advantage and try this place near my house that has an intro and see maybe if I get some actual help. I mean, the trainer was trying to help me the other day. Like, it just wasn't set up for a beginner. So this is literally a class for beginners. So I think that will be really helpful. And then I can get a sense of actually if I like it or not. Because I didn't like it because I didn't know what I was doing. But like, just because you don't know how to do something doesn't mean you're like bad at it or don't like it necessarily. So I'm giving it another shot while I have the class pass. I have it for a couple more days, so I'm doing some classes. And then tomorrow I have a Zumba class at a dance studio, so that will be fun. I love Zumba. I hope it's a good instructor for that, and I hope it's good music. And I hope it's sped up because when I was going to Workout World, when the person took over, she didn't speed the music up and it was so boring. So we'll see. As expected, it rode up and down, but that's just typical on me. Very sweaty. All right, so I need to hop in the shower and then I'm gonna make a recovery shake. Someone yesterday was talking about how she puts actual Oreo in her cookies and cream afterburn. I feel like that will bring out the flavor. She also adds banana, so I was thinking that might be nice, like a frosty kind of situation. Not like a Wendy's frosty, but like frosty texture. So let's hop in the shower. Got a freshie tub of collagen, but they changed the packaging and I prefer the old tub, so I'm going to transfer it. This is gonna be a very desserty shake. So we're gonna use the cookies and cream afterburn from Burn Bootcamp. I have heard that coffee flavor makes chocolate more chocolatey, so I'm gonna try a little bit of that. It's almost done anyway, so like I might as well use it up. Then we have Fairlife milk. I'm gonna crush up one of these in the shake and one for on top. Hopefully my whipped cream is still good. We're gonna do some chocolate syrup around the rim. I've got Greek yogurt and collagen. So this is gonna be pretty dense. And frozen banana. And I'm gonna do some ice. I think I lied. I'm not gonna put this in because I might want it. She's a thick one. There she is. All right, here we go. I think I ruined it with the banana. I taste banana, not cookies and cream. Oh well. Here's the outfit for Pilates. Buff Bunny re-wearing a walking outfit. So now all of these can go in the wash because I have really worn them for real. Giving Pilates another shot. Fingers crossed. I really like this tank and I haven't worn it in a while. It just crisscrosses in the front and then there's like a little bit of a tie in the back. My butt looks pretty cute. That's one thing about, like, I think something that holds me back from wanting to lose weight is I lose my butt and my boobs, and that makes me sad. I mean, I could really just lose 10 pounds and I don't think it would really make a big difference there. It would probably make a bigger difference around my belly. And I know I would be healthier if I did that. So I don't know what's stopping me, why I can't just do it. We just got Dave's hot chicken. I've never tried it before. Okay, I didn't know it was like covered in chili powder. I don't know how about this. It's Ninja Creamy time. I'm back with another Buff Bunny haul. I am really loving this tank top. It's so cute. But if you're wondering about like the cheeks and everything, I mean, you've got the ventilation, so that's helpful. We're back in more brights.